Welcome to our series on math properties. In this session, we're going to go over the distributive property of multiplication. This is the first of a three-part video series. We'll start very simple and then we'll get a little more complex. Okay, so we have three different problems. Distributive means that you distribute an operation among different components. So in this example, if we have 9 multiplied by 3 plus 4 inside the parentheses, it means that we're going to multiply the 9 by each component inside the parentheses before we do the addition. So what does this look like? So what it would look like is here we do 9 times 3 and then we do 9 times 4. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. And 9 times 4 is equal to 36. And so essentially what we're doing is we're doing 27 plus 36. And this will give us 63. Okay, let's try the next one. I want you to notice here I put the little dot. This dot represents multiplication. Up top, I didn't put the little dot, but if I have a number in front of a parentheses, it is also multiplication. It's just different ways of writing it. Okay, so here, whether I put the 4 to the left or to the right of the parentheses, I still do the same thing. First, I would do 4 times 6, and then I would do 4 times 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 4 equals 16. So I have 24 minus 16, and that would give me 8. Let's look at the third one. Here I would do 9 times 3, then I would do 9 times 4, and finally I would do 9 times 5. Let's see what this looks like. So I have 9 times 3. That equals 27. I have 9 times 4. That's 36. And then I have 9 times 5, which is equal to 45. Now that I've done all of my multiplication or all of my distributing, I can go ahead and solve. So I have 27 plus 36 minus 45. I'm going from left to right. 27 plus 36 gives me 63. 63 minus 45 gives me 18. Okay, let's keep it moving. Now I hope you kind of have the idea of what we're going to do. So we're going to do 12 times 4 and then 12 times 8. In the second one, we're going to do 4 times 6, 4 times 3, and then 4 times 4. And in the final one, we're going to do 11 times 3, 11 times 7, and 11 times 8. So 12 times 4 gives me 48. 12 times 8 gives me 96. 48 plus 96 would give me 144. Let's do the second one. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. So I have 24 plus 12 minus 16. 24 plus 12 would give me 36. And then 36 minus 16 would give me 20. Let's do the final one. 11 times 3 equals 33. 11 times 7 gives me 77. And then 11 times 8 would give me 88. So if I go ahead and solve the problem, I have 33 plus 77 minus 88 equals 33 plus 77 is going to give us 110, and 110 minus 88 is going to give us 22. And that's it for our first part. You can find more videos in Haitian Creole and English on our website, hctutorial.com, and send any comments to schillerambrose27@gmail.com. Thank you.